intention, vision, manifestation. So magkakakonekta yan eh. Intention, vision, manifestation. Iba siya sa goal. Kasi tama si si Isabel. Goal is something that you can measure. Pag sinabing goal, may point A, may point B, may action plan, and may time frame. So this is my goal for 1 month. This is my goal for 2 weeks. So sinong gagawa nito? Paano to nangyayari sa buhay natin? And I'm sure may mga kwento kayo sa life nyo ngayon, currently, na minsan sa buhay mong inisip mo lang, pero ngayon you're living the life. Parang something na nabanggit mo lang, something na dinesire mo lang, pero you don't have really an action plan on it, or hindi mo talaga plinano, but right now, nangyari. Right now, na-experience mo.